We're going to have a look at creating a GIF in Photoshop using frame animation. It's a good idea to open all your files so you can have a look at the type of order you may wish and just check the files are all of the same format. So for example, these ones are a portrait format and I've already sized them to an appropriate size for screen at 72 pixels per inch and 2000 wide. So they're all now the same size and easy to deal with. I'm now going to go up to the File menu and select Scripts and select Load Files into a Stack. I tell it I want to add my open files and it tells me I've got to save anything before they can be merged. So now I can go OK. You can see Photoshop's busy creating my layers stack. Now we have all our images in one document. You can see the square one, it's a little bit big. I'm just going to crop. Now I need to go up to my window menu and open my timeline. And that gives me the option here to create a frame animation. If you can't see that, if you click the arrow, you'll see there's also the option, and you can change between them, to do a video timeline. I'm going to create a frame animation, and there's my first frame. If I go to the little menu at the top right of my timeline, you've got the option to make frames from layers. I'm going to select that, and now I have my image set up as a GIF. I can change the order of my frames, clicking and left dragging across. If you'd like to add any more frames, you can go down to the bottom of the timeline, click the plus icon, then go to your open file that you'd like to add, choose the Move tool and drag it across into your image and move it into place. You see it's there now as a new layer and I've got it in my timeline. I'm going to drag that one to the front and I'm going to play my animation. We then just need to export and save it. I can save it as a Photoshop document, so that's my master, which I can come back in and edit. I'm going to name it GIF animation. Now I'm going to export it as a GIF. If I go up to the File menu and go Export, there's a Save for Web Legacy. And up here at the top it allows us to choose GIF as a file format. Here we have tabs where we can look at the original, look at the GIF format, or look at them both together. This is our original and this is our compressed. GIF compresses the images by combining colours. So by reducing the amount of colours that we have in the image, we're going to reduce the file size. So that's taken it down to 2 meg, but there's too much quality loss. I need more colours than that. We can just try out and see what looks best. 6 meg is still manageable GIF. You leave these settings the same. It's about how it spreads the colour image. Diffusion is a nice soft method, can add more of a pattern or a noise. If you don't spread the colours with no diffusion, then your GIF compression is going to be much more obvious. We can then hit save. We can open and view that GIF file in a browser. So I'll go open with Google Chrome. And there it is. If your images are too large and you need to resize them down, you'll find that the GIF animation slows down. Enjoy making yours.